Today we're going to learn sing the ballet. The beginning opening part, the chords, we don't want to play them too short. It should be broad sound, okay? And think about the melody first. Okay, and then the next set. Same thing is. So you can try to practice the top two notes basically. For the intonation. Okay, so the next section we're going to talk about, it's kind of transition to a different element. Kind of rhapsodic, very free, and you should have the very beautiful warm vibrato and very long connected bow strokes. Okay, the next part, the third line, emphasize on the second note. Start on the D string to play the theme. So 1, 2, 3. So now I would like to talk about the rhythm. It's in 12/8. So you can think in 4, a slow 4. So it's like 4 triplets. 1 da da, 2 da da, like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the grace note, you can sort of borrow the time from the previous beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you have a little bit of a bow speed on those notes to accentuate the melody. So these two G's are pickup notes to the next phrase. 1, 2. Here after all the triplets, the whole thing feels more like a waltz. Now all of a sudden you have two very strong duple notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a cadenza coming up. So I would highly suggest you to practice separate bow. Differently. I'll do one last time. So more free bowing. Page now. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me explain about how to come in with the piano. So you basically have to count to the third beat. Right after the third beat, that's where you come in. So 1, 2, 3. cadenza coming up. I would like to break up the bowing to emphasize on the phrasing. So that's one phrase. Then the next phrase. Eventually you need to play continuously. Play the last arpeggio on the A string.